moment. Something happening unexpected, something that someone doesn't see coming. And it looks like an energy of someone drinking drinks of pain. Something unexpected has happened that's causing or have caused some sort of stress that has someone drinking in deep thought. And they looking, I don't know if they're looking in the near future. Maybe this person may have possibly wanted to marry you. Maybe there was a plan of you guys getting married. Maybe this person is just thinking about this. Maybe this is not something that will come in. Greetings, greetings, greetings. I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Welcome to those that are new, and welcome back to the Divine Space family members. You already know how I'm coming about, y'all. Those of you that have not subscribed as of yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Show your girl some love by hitting a thumbs up, as well as turn on those notifications. Energy is fluid. Take what resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let that thing fly. I appreciate the love that I've been receiving thus far. I see y'all, and I appreciate you all. What y'all got going on, y'all? What y'all got going on now? What's going on with the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? What's going on? The bone. Hmm. What is going on with the collective? What's going on with the collective, please, Spirit? Wait a minute, what's going on? Drinks of pain. Somebody drinking alcohol. It looks like there has been some sort of tower moment. What's going on with the collective? What's going on? Altar. What? A marriage? Maybe somebody's getting married or thought about. I don't know. Wait a minute. Because there's a marriage here. Maybe you guys are married. I'm seeing a tower moment. Something happening unexpected. Something that someone doesn't see coming. And it looks like an energy of someone drinking drinks of pain. Something unexpected has happened that's causing or have caused some sort of stress that has someone drinking in deep thought. And they looking, I don't know if they're looking in the near future. Maybe this person may have possibly wanted to marry you. Maybe there was a plan of you guys getting married. Maybe person is just thinking about this. Maybe this is not something that will come into fruition. Or as I stated before, maybe something that impacts something that has happened may impact someone's marriage. Okay. Hmm. Let's go ahead and grab the tarot and see what the heck is going on here. But I definitely, ooh, the book. But I definitely know it's something going on in regards to this boom energy. This is definitely have something to do with some sort of tower moment. Yep. The boom, a tower moment in a relationship, sudden breakup, sudden changes within a relationship. We have drinks of pain. Someone is drinking their pain away, alcohol, addiction, being pessimistic about a love situation. Somebody's drinking their pain away. But I want to go ahead and show you the boom. This is definitely a tower moment. I already knew that. It's like, the roof is on fire. Something, something is going on. It almost looked like the moon is out here. So it's something that was hidden. Something was hidden. Okay. You know, this almost feel like an energy where spirit gives someone ample amount of time to make something right or come clean in regards to something before a tower moment come, which brings shed some sort of light on something that was hidden. Okay. And this is the altar. Okay. Let's go ahead and clarify the altar. I like looking at the book. The altar, the marriage card, this situation involves marriage. Someone is either thinking of marriage or is already married. Like I stated before, I feel like whoever this person is, they possibly wanted to marry someone, or this whatever happened impacts someone that is already married. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's go ahead and clarify this boom. That's the first one we're gonna go ahead and clarify. Let's see what's going on. What is going on with the collective in regards to this boom energy, please, spirit? Clear, accurate messages only. The boom. What's going on with the boom? Please, spirit. The boom. Okay, clarifying the boom, I'm definitely showing a negative pattern or a negative impact, creating some sort of negative impact, what I feel in regards to this boom energy. Hmm. This is also like an energy of regret, causing an energy of regret. It's almost like an energy of someone wanting or trying to extend, some sort of offer or um, trying to be kind or something like that. I don't know. It's like, but I'm definitely showing this caused an energy of regret. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Clarify the bone. Because it's almost like somebody, this energy is like they extended some sort of offer and someone's arms is crossed. What's going on with this bone? Why do I feel like this is almost like an energy of someone trying to silence? I feel like somebody tried to silence someone as well. Okay? Clarifying the boom is a new connection. Like somebody started talking to someone new. Look, the fool, a new beginning, but it's a betrayal. Whoa. Whoa. Player energy. Clarifying the boom tower moment. It's almost like an energy, like I stated before, like somebody tried to get someone, like offer someone something. I feel like to be quiet or keep something under wraps. But this is also like an energy of someone trying to extend some sort of offer. It's like almost like an energy of like feeling some sort of regretful. This energy is crazy. It's almost like somebody is extending or have extended some sort of like started some sort of new beginning with this Ace of Cups energy, but cheated. With the Seven of Swords, cheated, lied, deceived, betrayed. This is almost like an energy of someone that's trying to act like, they loving, kind, and caring, but all the while they backstabbing you and smiling in your face. This person has started some sort of new beginning here with this Fool energy. I feel like it's almost like I don't know. This is almost like I don't. Maybe they was talking to someone else, and I don't know because it's almost like they veered off. Hmm. Maybe they felt like you weren't the one or something like that. You get what I'm saying? Because it's like, why is this new beginning here? But then they over here looking off at the altar. Yeah, this person has started something new, started talking to someone else while they was in a connection. It's like this person was like in this player energy, very young, very immature, like an energy of who with a lot of passion and lust. While married, this is somebody that was married. As I stated before, either you were married or this person was thinking about marrying you. Let's go ahead and clarify this pain, drinks of pain. What's going on with the drinks of pain for the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? Is now this person is drinking. Okay. Now this person is drinking their pain away, they in deep thought. Okay. Type of energy. Something has a tower moment. It looks like there's some sort of upheaval. Things has been revealed, is what I feel like. Oh my goodness, something has possibly came to light. All right. With this tower moment causing some sort of catastrophe. Okay. Clarify drinks of pain. Clarify drinks of pain. Breakup. Separation. Heartbreak. Severance of some sort of ties here. Wait a minute. Mm, wow. In regards to like a marriage, a breakup, a separation of a marriage or connection that could have led to marriage. I feel like this was over time. With this temperance angel right here, I'm saying energy of balance. Like this is balance. Things have came to balance. Things, like I said, things have come to light, and what came to light and the balance is separating from whoever this person is. Possibly not getting married to this person if there was a thought of even getting married to the person. And if you're married, I'm saying a divorce here. This person is drinking because they destroyed their whole life. I look like an energy of this person in high anxiety, a lot of stress, losing out on some sort of sleep. This is the energy of this person going through a lot of mental anxiety. All right. Again, anxiety, high anxiety, stressed the out. Okay. Drinks of pain. Yeah. because of some sort of connection they had. Hmm. Because of a third party connection that they had. Hmm. 3 is definitely a crowd, especially if they were thinking about marrying you or was in some sort of marriage. It should not be 3 people in this card. Hmm. That's what I'm saying. Let's go ahead and clarify this altar energy. The altar. We'll go ahead and clarify that. What's going on with the altar? What's going on with this altar energy? What do we need to know? What's going on with the collective? Somebody walking away from a marriage, walked away from a proposal or an engagement, okay? Because this is almost like an energy of someone experiencing some sort of pain, disappointment, walking away from whoever this person is because it's like they held secret. You see the moon up there? Again, I feel like this person kept secrets from you because of the secret that they kept from you, okay? It's like you just simply abandoned the whole connection. Look, walking away from the whole connection to 3 of Pentacles right here. At one point, it's like you guys were living together or something right there with the 3 of Pentacles working together. And then you, as you can see, these two, like they at the altar. Somebody walking away from the marriage. What's going on with this altar? I'm seeing an energy of someone carrying a whole lot of burdens. All right. I see a Queen of Cups out here, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I see them walking away or you walking away, focusing on your finances and things like that, mastering something. Maybe you could have built something off of some sort of pain that you have. But it looked like an energy of possibly focusing on work or something, focusing on your finances, something like that. And it's like an energy of healing, focusing on healing, focusing on yourself, on your own happiness after walking away from whoever this person is. And leave them back there with this chaotic energy that they're going through with this tower that they caused. It's almost like an energy of someone going through some sort of financial situation or financial issue, and they're going to try to reach out. It's like a message or some sort of news, and it's like it has something to do with some sort of budgeting or financial situation like this person want to reach out and talk to you about, um, or maybe this person gonna want to talk to you about, I don't know. You know how some people try to like blame it on their upbringing, childhood, their family, as if they didn't know any better. You do. Anything that you learn from them, you do the opposite. Someone doesn't have to teach you how to treat somebody good. Not Someone doesn't have to teach you how to be faithful because you want someone to be faithful to you. You get what I'm saying? They want somebody to be faithful to them all the while not being faithful to you. Shouldn't nobody have to go through this in a marriage or even in an engagement, okay? But nonetheless, I'm showing that this is coming to an end. I'm seeing a closing of a cycle. I'm seeing things coming out in divine timing regarding whoever this person is. This might even be tied to somebody they know from their past, is what I'm showing here. But this is still talking about this person becoming your past. They are becoming an ex. They are an ex. But I feel like this may have something to do, like, tied to whoever they are. Maybe they have someone from their past. Maybe this is somebody from their childhood. It doesn't necessarily have to be an ex, but this might have been someone that known them since they were childhood or something like that. Is what I'm showing here. And I'm seeing things working in divine timing for you. This is also talking about with this moon energy, like, okay, things being hidden and moving slowly. Because the Knight of Pentacles is talking about slow and steady, an energy of being patient because there's a closing to a cycle, whoever this person is. It's definitely showing that this person is becoming an ex, or they are an ex, or maybe this person is someone from your childhood. I don't know. But you are coming out as the high priestess, very intuitive, very psychic. And I see you moving forward, okay? With the Six of Wands, you having some sort of an advantage, even though you were stabbed in the back by this person. You were definitely betrayed by being stabbed in the back. I feel like this person didn't just stab you in the back. They also had to put a cherry on top by talking shit about you to whoever this person is that they were dealing with. Is what I'm showing here. To build some sort of connection with whoever this person is, and that is what caused the fucking tower moment. How dare you on a divine one? What the heck is going on here? Especially to someone that is being loyal to you. someone that you marry to, that you are supposed to be one with, or someone that you choose to make, to be one with. Spiritually, this is on a spiritual level. This is spiritual when you start talking about marriage. All that other stuff is at the wayside. You and propose to this person, okay? In the spiritual realm, they already know, hey, them two are together. Ain't no, okay, so we ain't married yet. I'm gonna go do some fuck shit. Or even if we are married, let's go do some. Oh, because of my lust, because I want to try something. Nah, negative. Negative. This is why shit crumbling. I'm seeing the tower in here and the tower right there. The tower came out twice. This person may be going through double tower. 2 times the karma. Times 2. Times 3. Times 10. Wait a minute. Because I think the tower card, the 10. Let me see. What number is the tower card? Because I want to say times 10 or something like that. It was at 8. Let me see something. Because I'm curious to know what number is the daggone tower card. $16. Mm-hmm. Let me see something here. Mm. This person's gonna be going through this for 256 days. Mm. The number 32 is significant. The number 5, this is also talking about change, being that the tower is number 16. And I see you guys protecting yourself, having some sort of boundary set, standing your ground, standing in your power, even with them trying to come towards you. I'm showing that you have a whole lot of opportunities rushing in towards you as well. With this Empress energy, I see you out here with the Nine of Wands, protecting your energy, protecting yourself. This is talking about you learned from some sort of failure, a lesson. You learned a lesson from this failure, picking yourself up, moving on, and this person is not going to be able to deal with this. You not fighting back. You not feeding into the bullshit. You talking about healing yourself. That's how you know that's the Empress right there. If it's listen. That's how you know it's the Empress right there. She's moving on gracefully. He's moving on gracefully. Oh, okay. That's my exit. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please hold my